TFT has landed in Dewsbury. For today's drop, we've come to Emojie's. Now this place cost £1 million. Yep, that's right, £1 million. Wow, that is a lot of money. Place inside is absolutely fantastic. I've had a look in, but are the burgers gonna be up to scratch? That's what TFT wants to know. Let's get in there and find out. It's me, TFT, and yes, we are back with another one take special street food review. We have come to the town of Dewsbury and we've come out to try a place called Emojie's. Have a look at it. It's a burger place. It's absolutely huge. You got one floor, you got two floors. They've got so much seating in there, it's absolutely unreal. You've got all this seating out here. To be honest with you, they could do with brushing up a bit around here as well, because summer's coming, people are going to be wanting eating outside, so they could do with cleaning this up. Right, let's take a seat and let's have a look at this food. These guys are open from 12 till 10, 7 days a week. Busy little place, busy area. I'm not too sure how busy they are, but they're going to take some filling. Sit down, cameraman, take a seat. Take the weight of the world off your shoulder. That's better. Right, we got ourselves the average Joe smash burger. It's a 2-burger patty with all the trimmings, with the cheeses. I said to him, don't put any pickles on, because TFT doesn't like his pickles. Right, I'm gonna put that here under me buttocks. Right, that's not going anywhere. Let's take a look at what we've got. Have a look. Very rarely do you get a burger place that chuck them both in the same box. So you got what looks to be like a small portion of fries, and you got the burger in there as well. We also got some house special sauce, and we got some garlic sauce, and we got the tin of the good stuff, the Rubicon, and this came to us at £7.49. Not a bad price, not a bad price. Right, let's take a look at the burger first. I'm gonna put it out. Are we ready? Are we ready? Hey, oh, have a look at that burger. Small burger, to be honest with you. Not very big at all. Plenty of cheese. Onions, cheese, the sauce, toasted bun, brioche bun. First impressions is it is very, very small. You see, I haven't got the biggest hands in the world and it's covering off my hand. But you know what? Let's go ahead and see whether or not quality overdoes quantity. Bismillah. The patty itself is a bit chewy. It's got a crispy outer, which a lot of smash burgers these days have. But it's got a really chewy texture. And the sauce and the cheese seems to be overpowering the taste of that meat. Bun's not bad. Hey there, you alright? Bun's not bad at all, brioche bun. But that sauce is overpowering everything. What I'm really tasting is that house special sauce and the cheese. I paid £7.49. I want to taste the burger, not the sauces and the cheese. It's all a bit soggy, if that's the right word. The meat, the texture of that burger is decent. It's just, it seems to have been drowned by the cheese and the sauce. And it's got like a sickly kind of taste. It's not a fresh smash burger kind of taste. The place inside is massive. They've got seating downstairs, seating upstairs, seating out here. There's no parking. We've just been chased away by the parking attendant. We've got to go and park up around the back there somewhere. So honestly, I'm trying to work out how these guys actually fill this place. Burger has been a bit of a letdown. Have a look at the fries. Fries there. Fries are soggy as well, just like that burger. The fries are thinking, why should we be left behind? If the burger's soggy, we're going to be soggy as well. And they are. There's no real crisp, there's no real fresh taste on them fries. Disappointed so far. Right, the house special sauce. This is the sauce which they have drenched the burger with. I don't really see the point at reviewing this sauce because I've tasted enough of it on that burger. Nice creamy texture. Yeah, it's a decent sauce to be fair with you, but I didn't want it tasting that strong on that burger. Now then, we also got some garlic sauce as well. This is going to be probably the fastest and the quickest review TFT's ever done. To be fair, there's not been much to talk about. Garlic sauce, have a look at that. Creamy texture. It's got a lot of herbs in as well. Very, very thick herbs. Usually garlic sauce has smaller herbs. They're like full cloves in there. The garlic sauce is decent. Very, very nice garlic sauce. I said it before as well, where the sauce actually can save the chips, it can save the burger. You know what? It took us about half an hour trying to get to this place. Parking up, jumping in, trying to find a parking spot, paying 50 pence for a 45 minute parking spot as well. So this meal has cost us £7.99. And I was really hoping that this burger was going to be decent and worth all the time and effort that we've put in to get down here. But Emojie's, they've only been open a couple of years. Like I said before, 12 till 10. I don't know what to say to you guys. I really don't know what to say to you. There's too many people nowadays jumping on the smash burger game, thinking all they've got to do is put two burger patties together, chuck on a bit of sauce, chuck a bit of salad on, put a layer of cheese and put it in between a bun. But let me tell you now, that is not the case when it comes to smash burgers. The market is so competitive now, you've got to be on it to win it. To be honest with you, you got to be in the race. These guys are lagging way behind the rest. I wasn't expecting much. I've come to Dewsbury. However, we've been to quite a few good places in Dewsbury, so I was hoping this one would be another one of them. Not being the case. As I washed it all down with a can of Rubicon, multi-pack may I add, not to be sold separately, but never mind. We'll let them have it. Rubicon. What are you doing, Rubicon? Come on, TFT is wanting that sponsor. TFT's viewers and his supporters and his loyal fans have emailed Rubicon and said TFT needs that sponsor. Rubicon, if you're watching, come on, let's get with it. The savior, Rubicon, to the rescue. Score time. Actually, one good thing about this place, you're getting some tissue here. Not that I've eaten it, I've eaten much, I've not got my hands that dirty, but TFT is going to be leaving Emojis with quite possibly one of the lowest scores he has ever done on the channel. It breaks me heart. A lot of people are saying, TFT, you don't criticize people enough. Be more critical in your reviews. I try to keep it fair, I try to do my best. If it is bad, I'll tell you it's bad.
Understand that.
Oh, I've still got me navigation on. Sorry, I wasn't talking to you, big sir. I try to keep it as respectable as I can. TFT is going to be leaving Emojis with a very, 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 very unimpressive 3.5. Yep, 3.5. That's got to be the lowest score on the channel. Service has been banging. Lads behind the bar were nice. Food didn't take long to come out, but you know what? You can provide all the best service in the world. You've got to have decent food to back it up as well. So that's the score, guys. bit disappointed. Like I said, it's took me quite a while to get down here. We're gonna have a look around Dewsbury, try out a few more spots. Sorry guys, you alright? People are walking past, giving us a smile and waving. Dewsbury's been fantastic, absolutely amazing. Only one more thing left to say. I'm gonna go ahead and certify it anyway, 3.5. I'm hoping, Emojie, when TFT comes back in a year or so, you will have pulled your socks up, reduce on that sauce, and please, 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 more attention to that beef patty which you're putting in that burger. In the meantime, to all you guys at home, to everybody in Dewsbury, to the parking attendant who nearly booked me trying to get parked up here, you guys have all been officially food troll certified. And one for the road, me and Rubicon shall see you guys for the next one.